Fizzy. Hey, Phoebe. Oh, hey, everyone. It's me, Miss Hands. Whoa, look at all of these cool colors. All right, let's start by opening the red one. But whoa, we've got Bluey stuck on the top. Here you go, Bluey. Oh, thanks, Miss Hands. Oh, I wonder what's inside the red crayon. Let's find out, Bluey. All right, here we go. A delicious red strawberry.
I'm so hungry. Can I eat it?
All right, Phoebe. Open wide. Wow, Phoebe, you must have been really hungry.
I sure was.
Whoa, what do we have here? It's a red circle. Oh, look at Bluey. I can jump so high. Wait, there's something else in here. Wow, it's red slime. Oh. Hey, let's make a red slimy circle.
Can I eat it, Miss Hands?
No, Phoebe. I don't think slime would taste very nice.
Oh dear.
All right, next up, the green crayon. But oh dear, we got Bluey's dad on the top. Let's put him right down there next to Bluey. There you go, Dad. Gee, thanks, Miss Hands. Let's see what's inside the green crayon. Here we go. Whoa! We've got a green poppin' tube. Oh, it makes so, many noises. All right. And look! We've got a big green dinosaur cutter. Awesome! And next to our big dinosaur, we've got a green grasshopper. And look what he's bouncing in. It's some green slime. Oh, he looks like he's enjoying bouncing in that green slime. Way to go, Grasshopper! Let's make some green slime shapes. Stretch this out. Right over here. And over here. Now take our cutter. Ta-da! One beautiful green slime dinosaur! Uh-oh! The dinosaur is trying to eat the grasshopper!
Oh no! Was the grasshopper all right?
He sure was, Fizzy. He hopped away.
Phew! Poor little grasshopper.
Let's open the next crayon.
All right! The yellow crayon!
That's right, Phoebe. Let's see what's inside the yellow crayon. But, uh-oh, looks like Bingo's on the top.
Uh-oh.
Come on, Bingo. Let's get you down. Take that, you crayon. Ruff, 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 ruff. Bingo, it's okay. The crayon won't hurt you. Oh, yeah. Time to find out what's inside the yellow crayon. Here we go. Oh, no. Bingo, are you all right? Yeah, I'm all right, Miss Hands. Wow, so many cool yellow things.
I love yellow. It makes me so
cute little dinosaur looks so happy. Wow, that's one super happy, super loud roar. And look, next to our happy dino, we have a super cute little cheetah.
Miss Hands, did you know that cheeters run super fast?
They sure can, Fizzy. Whoa, look at him go. Watch out for the sticky slime. Oh no, you're stuck. Here, let me help you. There you go. Wow, look! We've got a big star cutter and a little yellow star cutter. Let's make slimy stars. Let's stretch the slime out. Oh, so sticky. Now, squish. Whoa, a little slimy star. Let's make some more. Oh no, Bingo! Look at that slimy mess. Oh, I'm sorry. It was just so fun. You're right, Bingo. It is fun. I love slime jumping. Watch out! Slime sliding coming! Whoa, watch out, Bluey! Crash landing! Oh no! Are you alright, Bluey? Sure am! Let's open another crayon! Alright, but first, let's help Bluey's mom get down. There you go, Mom. Thanks, Miss Hands. Oh, I hope you two are behaving yourselves. We are, Mom. Yeah, we're being super helpful. Let's open the purple crayon and find out what's inside. Here we go. Oh dear, Bluey. Here you go. Whoa, there's so many purple things. We've got a super cute dinosaur squishy. Squish, squish, squish. Oh, look at all of the colors inside. Wow.
Miss Hands, I think he wants a bone.
Well, over here we've got a purple bone cutter.
Let's use the slime to make a purple bone.
Good idea, Phoebe. All right, one purple bone coming right up. Here you go, little dude. And look, over here we've got another super cool poppin' tube. Whoa, it's so noisy. And super long too. And whoa, look at this behind. Look what it is, Phoebe.
It's purple glitter! My favorite!
That's right. Let's sprinkle some in the air. Wow, super magical. I love it. So sparkly. Whoa.
I have the best idea ever! What is it, Phoebe? We could use our magic to mix all the slimes together! Great idea, Phoebe! Time for some fizzy magic! Fizzy, whizzy, bo bizzy bop! What's wrong, Phoebe? I wanted to make a new color, but it didn't work. Don't be sad, Phoebe. It's a super cool rainbow slime. Look! Magic stickers! Wow! They're different colors, too. I know. Let's match them.
Hi, Bingo! Stop that! I'm so hungry! Come on, Bingo, it's time to go home and eat some grub. Woohoo! Alright, I'm starving! Thanks, Fizzy and Phoebe, for all your help. We had a really colourful time.
No problem. We're always happy to help, especially when we get to play with slime. Thanks for watching. I hope you all have a fizzy fantastic day. We will see you next time. Come on, let's go bounce in the slime. All right, Phoebe.
All together now. Fizzy, Wizzy, Bo Busy Bop.